Brad, because of your years of experience in the building industry and all aspects of it, one of the things you've become known for is a site selection expert. And that's kind of neat when somebody says, boy, I don't know about the site, but I know the guy to call. You call Brad Bowman and he'll help you pick it out. Tell me about how you feel about picking out a site and how you kind of get the ideas for how you can make something that nobody else has gotten and you see a dream home.
Well, I mean, I guess it just comes to, I've spent 3 years doing civil engineering work out of college, so it's kind of like I got a bit of a civil engineering degree, which helps me to deal with a lot of things. I'm able to understand how a lot of things are. We're able to help save money because we don't need some of the engineering fees. I'm able to understand how we can take care of problems and enhance them or improve on them. And my philosophy is kind of like every challenge is a real opportunity to do something really cool. And a lot of people don't like just the same old flat lot and the same old house just sitting there. And we do a lot of challenging lots, and we really look at them as an opportunity to do something special. And so we take on those pretty aggressively. And everything about a home, whether it's hardscape and everything, starts with understanding how to put the house on the lot. And many times people put them too close, too far. They're, the garage is on the wrong side. There's lots of little things like that. But when it comes to a master plan, it's trying to understand everything about what that person wants. So eventually, even though they're going to do that pool 10 years from now, they've got it laid out so you're not redoing stuff. And so we really try to help push people with the master plan, even though they may be only going to put part of it in at the beginning.